ராம 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 ராம். ஸ்ரீமத் வால்மீகி ராமாயணம் சுந்தரகாண்ட பாராயணம் 50th Sargam. Here the sage Valmiki clearly explains about Brahasthan's questions. What are all the questions asked by Brahasthan? In this Sundarakanda Parayanam, while hearing, all are requested to observe very silently mode and keep your mind in a concentration and pray for your family and the universe to have a good health and wealth. Panjashashargaha Brahasta Prachnaha Tamudvishya Mahabahu Pingaksham Puradastidam Rokshena Mahata Avishto Ravano Lokaravanaha Shangahadatma Datyaucha Gabindram Dejashavridam Kimeksha Bhagavan Nandi Bhavet Sachadihagataha Yena Sabdo Asmi Kailase Maya Sanchalite Puraha So Ayam Vanaramurti Shyad Kim Svid Bhano Abhivasuraha Sharaja Dosharam Rachaha Prahastam Mandrisaddamam Kala Yugdhamuvashetam Vasho Vibulamardhavade Duratma Pratyadamesha Kudaha Kim Va Ashya Karanam Vanabange Cha Go Ashyardho Rachasinam Chadarjane Madbure Mapratyashyam Va Akamavane Kim Prayojanam Ayodane Va Kim Karyam Prachadamesha Durmatihi Ravanashya Vasahashrudva Brahasto Vagyama Pravide Shama Swasihi Badram Te Nabihi Karya Dvayakabe Yadi Davadadvamindrena Prekshite Ravanalayam Tadvamaghyahi Ma Bhute Bhayam Vanara Mokshase Yadi Vaishravanasya Tvam Yamasya Varunasya Vaha Shararupamidam Krudva Pravishthona Purimima Vishnuna Prekshito Va Abhiduto Vijayagangshina Nahite Vanaram Dejo Rupamatram Duvanaram Dadvadakkadasyadya Tato Vanaramoshase Anrudam Vadadashabi Durlabam Davajivitam Adava Yannimittam De Pravechoravanalaye Eva Mukto Harivarastada Raksho Ganeshwaram Apravinnasmi Chakrasya Yamasya Varunasya Va Dhanadena Nameshagyam Vishnuna Nasmi Sotitaha Jadireva Mamadvesha Vanaro Ahamigahataha Darshane Rakshasendrasya Durlabe Tatitam Mayaha Vanam Rakshasa Rajasya Darshanarte Vinasitam Tadaste Rakshasaha Prabdha Balino Yuddhagangshinaha Rakshinartam Dudehasya Pradiyuddha Mayaranehe Astravasairna Sagyo Aham Bhattum Devashurairabihi Pita Mahadeva Varo Mamabhyesho Abhyubhagadaha Rajanam Tushtukamena Maya Astramanuvarditam Vimugdo Hyamastrena Rakshasastrasya Vididaha Kena Shitraja Karyena Sambrabdoshmi Davandigam Dudo Ahamiti Vigjayo Ragavashyamido Jasaha Shuyatam Shabivasanam Mama Patyamidam Prabhoho Idi Srimad Ramayane Sundarakande Panchashakha Sargakha. Thus, Sage Valmiki in his Srimad Valmiki Ramayanam Sundarakanda Parayanam 50th Sargam clearly explains about this all the questions asked by Brahastan. Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram. Jai Bol Anjaneya Swami ki Jai.